Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to cancel an order on Wayfair in 2025. Whether you've had a change of heart, spotted a better deal, or simply made a mistake, canceling an order can be straightforward if you act fast. I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can handle it with confidence. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wayfair account. Head over to the Wayfair website or app and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, well, you might need to create one or use guest checkout details if available, but for cancellations, an account is usually required. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Orders tab. That's where all your recent purchases are listed. Find the specific order you want to cancel. Make sure to double-check the order number and details to avoid any mix-ups. Now, here's a crucial step. Check if the order is eligible for cancellation. Wayfair typically allows cancellations before the order has shipped, so act quickly. If the status shows as processing or shipped, you might be out of luck, but don't worry, we'll cover what to do next. If it's cancelable, click on the order and look for a Cancel Order button or option. Select it, and you may be prompted to provide a reason for cancellation. Be honest, as this helps improve their services. Review the cancellation details carefully. Finally, confirm the cancellation. You'll likely get a confirmation email shortly after, so keep an eye on your inbox. If everything goes smoothly, your payment should be refunded within a few business days. A quick tip: always check Wayfair's cancellation policy on their help page, as it might change. If you run into issues, like if the button isn't there, reach out to customer support via chat or phone. They're usually pretty helpful. And that's it, you've successfully canceled your order on Wayfair. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more everyday tech tips and how-to guides. See you in the next video.